Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm going to show you our 71 Chevelle SS Clone, 396 big block air, 400 turbo. We built it. I got tons of receipts on it. I can show you everything that we did to it. Rebuilt motor. I bought from a guy. It's pretty big cammed. I don't have the specs on it, but it's a healthy engine. We got about 50 miles on it after we took it apart, touched it up, regasketed, rebuilt turbo, 400 turbo, went through the rear end, brakes, a lot of new lines, new wheels and tires, got receipts for all that stuff. My body shop did the paint work on it, new top, but look how nice, look at the shine on that thing, and look at how nice and straight it is. My body tech, as a girl, worked for me for 14 years and I sold my body shop to her, but she did nice work on this car because black's a bugger, but you can see this looks like a mirror and it's nice and straight. A couple little flaws. Oh, we had an oops here when we shut the hood because of these darn Chinese hood hinges. So that's an issue. And somebody put a little too long of a bolt in on the hood deal, a little pop there. Very few flaws on it. Like I said, we've had it for 3-4 years, just finishing it up. Actually, I think we've had it 7 years, driving it. New interior. There's your Holley manual, sniper down there. Correct gauges, SS gauges, shifter, buckets, new carpet. Doors shut pretty good. Gaps are not bad. They're pretty good. But there, like I said, look at that. You can see my reflection in it. So that shows you the quality of the paint on it. I also did a paint one with kind of shows you really up close what the paint is. So we try to be as transparent as we can. Maybe a chip here and there, but not many. We haven't drove it a lot. Any of the stuff you're seeing in here is mainly dust. I just headed out, and you can't keep a black car from getting dusty. But like I said, just look at that shine. You can see me in it like it's a mirror. So, got any questions, give me a call. Like I said, I can tell you everything about this one because we built it. So, 605-695-7391.